Hi guys, good afternoon, happy Easter. So we are now here in the river with my family. We are having a good time. We are having picnic. So yeah, they are my family and my children at the back. You know, this is the good thing when you have time, freedom. You can do whatever you want. You can enjoy with your family, right? You can spend most of your day with your family. So this is the reason why I pursue. This is the reason why I choose to do this online daily pay blueprint, because it gives me time and financial freedom. You know, today while having fun with my family, I earned 1,200, right? 300, 300, and another 300, right? So this is the good thing when your business is automated, right? Even you are enjoying with your family or you're going to somewhere, still you have income, right? If you want to learn about this, our new launch Legacy Builder, in which you can build legacy for your family, all you need to do is just comment legacy below and I will send you the message, right? This is a newly launched program in which our mentor will teach you how to be a millionaire. Yes, how to be a millionaire, because she earned 1 million in just 17 months using this system. And the good thing is we want to share it to you, right? We want you to get in this amazing program. Live interaction, automated panels, 100% profit goes to you directly, right? You don't need to chase friends or relatives to join in this business. We will teach you how to brand yourself online, right? Amazing, amazing, right? So if you want to learn more about that one, okay, just comment legacy. See you and bye-bye.